In this video, I'll show you how you can get unbanned for 1 day in Roblox. Now, let's say you've been wrongfully banned in Roblox. What you can do is head over to the settings up here, choose help and safety, do violations and appeals, go to support right here, and from in here, you're gonna fill in your information. Then you wanna do PC, choose this, and you wanna find the one for moderation. Go here and say the one for your case. Let's say you were wrongfully moderated because you said something, and you can tell them, hey, I said something, but it was not against the rules and I've been banned for 1 day. Please, can you unban me? Press continue and they will answer on your email. So that's basically how you can do it in Roblox, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.